Good morning, Tara here, and this is your day 4 cardio workout. Okay, so feet nice and wide apart, shoulders back and down, and squat. Pushing those hips back. Make sure that your feet are nice and flat on the ground. You're not lifting your hips. And we're going to get plenty of repetitions in here. Just get the circulation going, just get us ready for a little bit of a blast. Okay, let's do some lunges now. We do have some, really get our heart rates up. I hope your heating's off. Or if you're doing this out in your garden later on today, that is all good too. Okay. Hopefully I'm going to go for a walk straight after this as well, before anybody comes out. Okay, feet nice and wide apart now, toes forward, and push your hips side to side. You'll feel that stretching on the inner thigh as well as warming up your thighs. Again, keep your back nice and straight, looking out and forward, shoulders back and down. Keep good form as we do these. I think I pulled my leg a little bit when I went sprinting down the beach for Danny's football the other day. Feels a bit tight. Okay, arms up to chest height. Let's twist side to side. So really kind of driving your elbows back as you twist, and you'll feel a nice stretch all through your back here. And if you did your core workout with me yesterday, you might be feeling that all through the middle. Okay, arms to the sides and reach down to the sides of your knees. Oh, this is so nice. I'm gonna have to get a nice big stretch in workout done for us towards the end of the week. Get really stuck into those muscles, loosening them out. Okay, feet hip width apart now and hinging at the hips. Let's roll down towards your toes and back up, shoulders back and around. Reaching all the way down towards your toes and up, rolling those shoulders back one more time. Let's roll down, feel the stretch from your back and shoulders back and down. Okay, down onto the floor now. We're just going to do a couple of press-ups just to warm up the upper body. So hands underneath your shoulders, on your knees, chest down, push up. So just doing a couple of these now. Get your upper body nice and warmed up. We will be using it as we're throwing the dumbbell and the pillows around this morning. Okay, 1 foot forward now. So push forward, feel the stretch for the front of your hip and this back hip here. Chest up, looking out and forward. Should feel this really deep in the front of your hips there. Now hands down on the floor, come up onto your toe on that back leg and lift up and go in a little bit deeper. Drop your weight through the hips and feel that weight there. If you've got any questions, guys, add them below in the comments and I can catch up with you once we've done our 12-minute workout. So again, the series this week has been focusing on different areas of the body. So we started off with the legs on Monday, Tuesday was the upper body, Wednesday last night was the core, and today we're doing a little bit of cardio. We've got Friday, Saturday, Sunday to go. We've had a full week and you guys can save these then and you can repeat them and repeat them. So that's the whole purpose of me doing the Healthy Habits at Home week, is to get you really started with good routines and structures from the start as we create a new lifestyle for ourselves. Temporary, yes, but essential for us to do. And if you haven't already joined in with the Healthy Habits at Home week, then I'm going to put the link underneath this. You can join it because it is more than just workouts, guys. This is our lifestyle. Just going for a run, so do this later. Well done, Jem. Get out there before everybody else is. Okay, don't forget to have some water and put it somewhere that you're not going to kick it over. I'm going to have a little drop now. All right. So we're going to start off with a new jack shoulder press, which means we're going to be having the dumbbell jumping out to curl press. Down, down. Then we're going to go down to the mountain climbers with some high knees. Then we're going to do the pillow slam. So we're going to be grabbing our pillow, picking it up, slam it down onto the ground, and then picking it up, slamming it back down. And then we've got the lunge jump to skip. So we're going to be doing some big lunge jumps and then having a little bit of skip to shake them off a bit before we go back in then. So we're going to be doing this with the timer. Let's get the dumbbell ready and let's get stuck into this. So workout is going to be starting in 3, 2, 1, and jump out, pick your dumbbell up, drive it up through the air, in, down, out, down. Now the important part for the legs on this is to go deep on the in bit as well, deep. Curl, push, down, down, in, down, out, down, curl, push. So again, it doesn't have to be a dumbbell, anything that you can pick up and take it above so you get your arms, your shoulders, your core, your legs, and your cardio in this one. Okay, curl, push up, down, down, jump in, jump up, nice and deep as you jump in as well as on the outside. Deep, curl, push, down, down. We got less than 10 seconds now. Let's keep going on this one. In, down, out, down, curl, push, down, down, and relax. Okay, mountain climbers to high knees. Let's get down into that plank position. So we're going to be doing 8 mountain climbers coming up, 8 high knees. All right, heart rate up already. Let's keep going. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back down. So remember now, with your arms, your hands underneath your shoulders, chin in front of your fingertips, knees coming up nice and high. Really drive your arms as well. Help you get those knees up nice and high. And back down. Mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring those knees up high. Jump up. Drive those knees up with the high knees. Again, bring your arms up too. Get your whole body working hard. And relax. Okay, pillow slam. Grab your pillow, guys. This is going down on the floor. And we're going down with it. Pick it up. And slam back down again, okay? Starting in 4, 3, 2, 1, and slam it down. Deep, pick it up. Okay, so just slam it down nice and hard to the ground. Right above your head. I'm going to go faster on this. Get as many repetitions in as you can. Good de-stressor as well. Slam it down hard. So bend at the knees, bend at the hips. And as you do this, make sure that your chest is up. Okay, you don't want to be just going down here and hinging at the hips. You're going to be bending the knees and looking up forwards. You should be able to see me on your screen the whole time. Okay, up and down. Last couple of seconds now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, next one is the lunge jump with the skips. So again, this is going to be a toughie. Skipping is going to give us a little shake off as we go back in. Don't forget to drink some water, guys. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just skip it up for 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to the lunge, deep. So long stride, go as deep as you can. It's your workout, go with your mobility, okay? And skip it out. 2, we've got 20 seconds to go. 7, 8. I hope you're joining in and not just watching now. I know Deeks is watching because he's in bed with Danny. 8, and skip it out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there's your circuit. Well done. 1 done, 2 to go. So grab your dumbbell, have a drink. Okay. And jump out, deep, shoulder press. Dumbbell goes down, jump in, down, out, down, curl, push, down, down, in, down, out, down, curl, push. So with this now, your legs are working hard, your core is working hard, and your upper body as you take that dumbbell up into the air. And of course, you're going to know you're out of breath, so definitely getting your cardio from this. In, down, out, down, curl, push. We've got 15 seconds. Keep going. You're going to feel this burning in your legs now. I am. In, down, out, down, curl, push, down, down. Keep going. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Oh, what a killer. This is the way to start your day. You're going to feel amazing after this. The earlier you do this, the better. The rest of the day's fab. Okay, so we've got mountain climbers to high knees. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump up, drive those knees up. 1, 4, 7, 8. Back down. Okay, so again, doing as many of these as you can. 5, 6, 8. We're halfway. Knees up. Drive your arms to help get that movement. Power it up. Back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 seconds. Keep going. Knees up. 2, 3, 4. And relax. Oh, pillows. Some came around quickly. Okay, again. Nice big deep breathing. 5 more seconds. Have a drink. 3, 2, 1. And grab your pillow up above your head. Slam down. And slam. So bend at the knees. Bend at the hips. Keep your back straight. Keep your chest out. Keep looking forward as you do this. And slam. You don't want to be bending over and putting any pressure on your back. You don't need. Look after yourself as you do these workouts, guys. That's what's really important. And make sure you take rest days as well. I know there's a ton of workouts out there, which is amazing for us all. Take it easy too. Of course, if you're doing those. Okay, 10 more seconds. And slam down. Go deep, pick it up, slam down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Make the most of your 50-second rest. 15. Grab a drink if you need to. Next one's going to be the lunge jumps with the skips. Okay, guys? 8 lunge jumps, 8 skips to shake those legs off. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And skip out. Give those legs a little shake off. Help you get ready to get back into the second round. And let's go. Deep. Down. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And kick it out. 2, 3. We've got 20 seconds left on this one. And lunge. Deep. Go down as far as you can. When you feel those thighs working hard. 7, 8. And kick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got a couple of seconds, guys. Just keep going. Right until we hear the beep. And relax. Woo! 2 rounds done. We've got 1 more to go. Okay. New jack shoulder. This is so tough, guys. I hope you are enjoying and joining in the course. Okay, let's jump out. Deep, curl, push, down, down. And this is the beauty of these workouts, where they're only 12 minutes long, because you get so much done in the time. You can get on with something else amazing throughout your day then. And there are plenty of fab things we can all be doing. In, down, out, down, curl, push, down, down. In deep, out deep, curl, push. Keep your core strong, back straight, looking out and forward as you take that dumbbell up into the air. Bending at the knees and the hips. In, down. 10 more seconds. Up, down, in deep, out deep, curl, push, down. 3, 2, 1. That is it for those today, guys. Dumbbell weight goes away. Down onto the mountain to high knees. I hope you haven't got your heating on if you're in the house. It is hot. Okay, mountain climber for 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up onto your feet. Keep that here, high knees. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump up. Drive those knees up high. 8. Back down. And 15 seconds. Push as hard as you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump up. 7 seconds to go. Keep going right until the end. It's the last time that we're going to do this today. And relax. Ooh. Okay, pillow slams. Come down. Make the most of your rest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slam down. Deep. Pillow above your head. Slam. So again, drive those hips back. Keep your feet flat on the floor. Core strong. Chest up. Slam that pillow down. Above your head and down. Again, we're doing as many reps as we can. This is the last time we're doing this now. We're going to be feeling tired. Just put all of your effort effort into this, guys. There's not long to go. We're almost done. Work those legs, work those arms. 15 seconds to go. Keep going. It's not long, but it's worth it. And done. Okay, we got this, guys. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Last exercise, and then we're done. Okay. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick it out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back in with the deep ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip it out. Out. 2, 3. We're halfway through on this one. Once we're done on this one, it's the end of the workout. Deep. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and kick out. Shake those legs out. 10 more seconds. 3 more of these. Okay, let's take lunge jump there all the way to the end now. 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. Amazing. Ah, that was so hard. Well, I hope you enjoyed either joining in or watching in the comfort of wherever you are right now. That was a toughie. So, with these workouts, guys, what I massively recommend you do, thank you for the like of the love there, whoever that was. Oh, I can hardly talk. This is a good moment for everyone. Okay, save them. So I've labelled them day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, which is what this is. If anybody's lost track of the days, I think it's Thursday. And just make sure, guys, that you are, thank you for the love, practicing your good routines now. We need to create these good routines now because we'll have next week and the week after, and then who knows what then. And the last thing you want to do is be coming out the other side of this feeling that you wish you utilised the time to create some good habits for yourself. And that is what we're working on in the Healthy Habits Week, Home Week. I've got in there lots of videos, educational ones, empowering you so you can make informed decisions once this is all over and not go on to another diet again. Of course, a lot of people are going to return to their gyms, and so you should, but for the moment now, get used to working out at home, get used to working out outside, go into your gardens and enjoy and utilise the time to create something that you love the feeling of and you could never be without. Because I know a lot of people do struggle to do exercise. Before all of this happened, time was a big excuse. For many, they've got even less time, and those are the people that we're massively appreciating right now. But a lot of people have created some more time. Different time though, because I know a lot are going to be at home with their families, with more than one child, 2 children, 3 children, and many in complete lockdown in other countries that haven't even got a garden they can go out to. So do make sure you look after your physical and your mental health. And let's just repeat the message, guys. Stay safe, stay home, go out for your exercise, of course, but do follow the guidelines to make sure that we don't have it taken off us, because a small minority might spoil it for everybody else, and that would be a massive shame, because it's not just about our physical health. It's what's going on up here, and there could be some long-lasting effects if we don't look after ourselves now. Yesterday we must have spent about that much time looking at the news, so we were feeling good. This isn't good though. So thankfully I do have a little kit here, so I'm going to sort these out this morning. That's something to take my mind off everything, and I am a big ball of sweat now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching or joining in, and if you haven't done it yet, please do it later. 12 minutes, and that was a tough workout. You, apart from having a cool down, you won't need to do much more else apart from enjoy the rest of your day. So on that note, please do enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you later. Bye.